Hello guys, today I will be fixing this mic. So let's get started. This mic was not charging, so let us open this. Unscrewing the bottom screws. Unscrew the top screws. Plugging the power supply, we can see that it is not charging. Testing with a multimeter, we can find out that it has very low voltage in the battery, about 2.64 volt. Let us take out the board and find the fault. We can see that this part is very loose. It is so loose that the pins are not connected to the board. So let's do micro soldering. Applying some flux. Applying solder. After soldering, clean it with some isopropyl alcohol. We can see that it started working. Now assemble everything back to the way it was. Charge it for 3 to 4 hours. After charging, let us test it. Hello.
Music play model.
Those hazy days that we were running still, had the whole world at
As you can see, it is working.
watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with
That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.